Spare me not on the lone prairie, where the hungry wolves can grill me in a shady spot way up the fir tree. Welcome to Rigor Mortis, the original one-hearse town. Wanted, dead or alive, buzzard.
Hold it, boys, hold it. As your newly elected sheriff, I intend to run this here buzzard clean out of the county.
Oh, yeah? Well, you better start a running, Sheriff.
It's a buzzard.
Now let's see. My first shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway in 2. Over the green in 3. Back on in 4. And took 2 putts. For a 6. This course is a-getting tougher all the time.
But there's not on the prairie. Sheriff wanted. Pensions paid promptly to widows. Well, I came along just in the nick of time. Now, where's this guy they call Buzzard? When I get my hands on that buzzard, I'll tear out his gizzards. Uh-oh.
Now then, which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzzard? Hold it, don't nobody move. Me and the new sheriff's gonna have a drink together. Ain't we, Sheriff? What'll you have, Shorty?
I'm a having red-eye. What's yours?
Make mine red-eye, too. Oh. Well, Sheriff, get drinking. Oh. You better draw, Sheriff, 'cause I'm a-coming to get you.
Buzz, old boy, you can do it. Keep up the old fight.
going out?
Going down.